Look. What's going on?
Hi guys, so we are very bothered with the noise coming from here, and so we thought, I don't know, maybe it could be a snake, maybe it could be lizard, bird, whatever. Maybe it's a human. No, they cannot go inside here, but it's just that it's making noise. So that's why Maribel and I were saying, oh, we're gonna open this after we eat, because while she was cooking, we don't hear the noise now though. Maybe it's dead. Because earlier, it kinda like making a lot of noise and you think it's a bird? Maribin thought it's a bird, but who knows? Maybe it could be a python or something.
Python?
A cobra. I don't know. I keep tapping here. Tara, maybe you should open. Hala. Sige daw.
It could be a kidnapper.
Hala. Sige daw. Nothing. Maybe
Ay, sa ilalim siguro ni ba?
Huh?
Maybe inside.
Inside?
Yeah, inside this.
Inside this thing, ha? Siguro, no?
Nisud lagi na siguro ng bangag ani ba?
Yeah, there's nothing in there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, because earlier it's really obvious that something is inside. So we thought maybe it could be a snake or...
Maybe it was a kidnapper.
Huh?
Maybe it was a kidnapper.
Saan?
Huh? Unsa na? Filter man siguro na. We need to have Noah, maybe we need to have him clean that.
Murag daghang ugaw diri mo. Kanin.
Yeah, we need to have Noah come here. Tama na kuan na Because guys, on the outside, there's like a pipe. There's no screen on it. I'll show you. You see? In here? Maybe it got in here. And you know, we have something like that in the both bathrooms, the new installed bathrooms, but in, you know, there's something in the tip, like there's a screen for, you know, to prevent animals or whatever that is going to come inside. But that one we did not, because Dennis said anyway that when you turn on the vent, it will open, but then if you're not using it, it will just close itself too. So it's kind of weird that that's the first time we heard it. Unsa yung kuan di ay? Maribin is gonna pressure wash the screen for that vent hood vent. Yeah, it's not that dirty.
Leak.
There's leaking. Hello. My plants, guys, are getting bushy again. Look at.
Tanawa dianan sa iro.
Huh? Where the dog comes in? Where? Oh wow, look at that, guys.
Ikaw tig-anabi kay ako
The dog comes in there. We need to put something there. Kanang halublock ba? Basta butangan na tong isa man na put a halublock in there. Ipatong niya pipe, oh. Baby. Ay, ipakok gipod.
Tama na.
Lain man to dili man. Di mo hihinay ra man pud niya. Balik. So guys, we just finished cleaning those two screens. Our weather today, no sun, overcast, and it's gonna rain again today. Yeah, I think it was bird. It was a bird.
Murag kay nang may murag.
Yeah, cause yeah, the noise, you can tell the noise sounds like a bird.
Yung tiil ba no?
Ano Christmas lights, you need to throw it away. Half of them not working. And this guys, wala mo lagi naman nagikon. We're gonna plant this.
Siya man.
Tangkong. Ay, nagbati.
Patio.
Spinach, so nanurok ra ba? Tanom na. Tanom na. We're gonna plant it later.
Kaang ba siya?
Yeah, because we don't have area anymore. We have so many plants. We have plans to plant lemongrass. No more mingwing here, guys. Yeah, we don't come out here as much because since what happened to the ming.
Yeah, did you discover where the noise was coming from? Hey guys.
Yeah, nothing in it. Nothing inside.
There?
Yeah, but earlier it's really obvious that something, because it's
Could have been a
scratching.
bird or a mouse or.
How can the bird go inside? You said that thing will only open if you use it.
Yeah,
I mean,
right.
if you're not using it, then
Yeah, I don't think a bird could have got in there. Could have been trying, but I don't know. Could have been a mouse or probably a lizard.
lizard.
Yeah.
But it's making a noise like a bird.
Well, it was a lizard that speaks bird language. I don't know.
I don't know either.
Guessing, man.
Yeah, Maribin also like thinks it's a bird. Cause to me though, the way it sounds, it's like a bird.
Well, a bird might have flew up in that thing.
How can that thing got out anyway?
Huh?
How can that thing got out of the pipe or got in the
was
pipe?
all the way up in the pipe?
I
Or just on
think
the edge? Just in the edge of the pipe.
no. It sounds like it's inside the vent. Maybe it was just in the tip. I don't know. We don't know.
Could have been on the tip.
Yeah.
Here we go. You couldn't get in there.
Okay, honey.
Okay, you guys going to town?
Yeah. We have errands to run to town, and one of them is getting the more air for the tires because it's kind of flat.
Yeah.
Then have to go to the market and couple other things.
Okay, be safe. Drive safe.
All right, honey. Thank you. Maribin's gonna go with me. Ready?
Ready!
Okay, let's go. Have to. Wait. Yeah, it's probably bird. See, I see a kupo. A kupo bird that came from somewhere here.
Dire?
Oh. Diri ba? Yeah. See, the tire is kind of flat, guys. Can you tell? I don't know here. Needs air.
No.
So, oh. Needs air. I don't want to wait until it's totally just flat. So, he's saying, guys, that ha? Kasi wala. Ay,
Wala kay pangit-pangit ay.
wala na po, dugay na.
Hangin na rin ma'am, dire po.
Ayan, diri mo ay
Tira po hangin din, 20 na po.
Unyang diri mo ay kanang nabuslot siguro ni.
Hangin rin kaya po ni ma'am, wala kay pangit-pangit.
Ah, pero wala na natunok de. He just said that it needs air. Kani murag Unsa man ni? Okay ra diri.
Dugay ka kabalik sa pamang ba, no?
Ayaw na kay inom. Abi ako diri magugutig pa dong jud basta na magpahangin.
Ay hangin mo mga ligid, 25 re.
Wala namang guni kuan pila na ni kabuan wa joy hangin-hangin. Dapat day unta jud no maintain. So dili na nato tanggalon. Yeah, we don't need to take it off, just air. Alright guys, so we went to the vulcanizing shop and then we already went to the market. Maribin was able to get some eggs. Then now we are here at this store with this little with this kid here waiting around. I think he's begging, not because I don't have sympathy for them, but where are the parents that let their kids just beg around? What if they get run over? What if they get hurt from, you know, they're all hovering in your car and they just so begging money from you. Where is that kid now? He was standing there by the window a while ago. So now we're here at the Grand Mall to get, what did Dennis say? Cheddar cheese. Then I don't know, get a couple of other things. So yeah, after this we're going home, I guess. Oh my goodness. Well,
Stress na good.
huh? Oh my gosh. Almost 3 o'clock. Where did that? I feel like it's only 10 o'clock. That's what I felt. Maybe because I woke up late. Need to
Mato
go
na
inside.
tayo kay bisin mauwan ako nilabhan.
Oh yeah, Maribin's worried about the clothes she hang outside, so we need to go home as soon as possible. So guys, we just got back from town and we were able to get some jumbo eggs. How much is it, Maribin?
280.
280 for jumbo eggs.
The large is 260, is 20 pesos.
Difference?
Different.
Yeah, and these are so big. Look how big it is.
Dagko siya.
Very big. Wow.
If I didn't bring this
Tray, how much
Tray.
they charge?
10 pesos.
10 pesos. You and here guys, we got sticky rice because we have a big plan tomorrow.
Tomorrow or
Maybe the
day.
next day.
Next day.
We got some fruits. Maribin got potatoes for Dennis. She went to the vegetable section and I went to the fruit section at the market. I went to the fruit area. Kani bitay na to ni. I got this skinny banana. I don't know why I bought this skinny banana, but I'd like to have some banana sometimes. Oranges. Kanina lang oh. Itong ibutang diskon Sige.
Gagmaya po.
I know small banana, but the vendor said this is very sweet banana.
Ay po yung sa berry store.
Then there's potatoes for Dennis here because he has a plan also. Then we got some stuff at the store, a few stuff. Some cup noodles, pancit canton, lala. Maybe Saturday. When are you gonna cook your food?
Well, when are they coming over here?
I don't know. Like,
Tomorrow?
supposed to be tomorrow. We'll have to see later in the day tomorrow.
Well, I need to know because in the morning I'll get up and start cooking it if they're gonna be here tomorrow.
Later in the day, honey.
Well, let's just set that meat out tonight and let it thaw out.
All right.
Put it in the refrigerator.
Okay. The neighbors doing video okay, but we were singing video okay too last night. Now it's the neighbor's turn. Later in the day is much cooler here. People are doing their business. They all pass by here on motorcycles.
Their own business. There's
Oh
a
yeah, the neighborhood
neighborhood
there.
improvement program going on there.
Wow.
Adding to her sorry store, a wraparound store.
Yeah, they're having a sari-sari store there, guys, and they put extension on it so that when people buy something and it's raining, then they don't get rained on. So yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
Starting doing the extension like couple of days ago. Well, it seems like it's been a while, honey, since we hung out here in the front patio.
Yeah, well, I like hanging out in the back patio better.
Really?
Yeah.
But since Ming is gone,
Yeah.
it seems like we like to.
No reason to go there.
Yeah. The other reason why we go out there is to hang out with Ming Ming.
Mm-hmm.
Petting him, feeding him, talking to him.
Yeah.
Does it sound crazy, honey, that we talk to the Ming?
No.
Are we the only people that talk about to their pet?
Are you kidding?
Really? A lot of them?
Yeah, man.
Never had pet before, so I don't know how other pet owners also how I don't know how their relationship to their
Well, you heard them
pet.
say they like their pet better than do most people.
or more.
You know, you heard them say that, man.
The battery, guys, just all of a sudden the camera is dead. Soon it will be dead too.
Low bat?
Look.
No, we have low
The
bat?
GoPro, I can't wait until I get the new battery, but let's just keep vlogging until this goes dead,
Yeah.
which is probably gonna be soon. So what was we're talking about, the pet? Yeah,
Talking
one
about pet people.
one pet owner I was talking to, she said that she likes her pet better than her kids. Yeah, that's what she said.
Right.
Yeah.
Because her kids probably feel that way because she probably treated her pet better than she did her kids.
Really? Wow. Oh, amazing. Look, the camera keeps going for now. Now.
Yeah. Yeah, we're really talking occasionally
Yeah.
about getting another pet. But, you know, we don't want to do nothing until we get this hollow block fence put up.
Right.
You know, dogs can get in.
Yeah, they will attack our
Yeah.
pet.
So, I mean, whether we get a dog or
There's-
it could get out.
There's even a big hole, honey.
Is it?
Yeah. Big hole in there where the dog come in. They made a big hole there and here also in the back.
We've been fighting the dog situation even before we put a fence up.
That's our problem. Yeah, because even if we fix it, they're gonna make another hole. So
So I think
Yeah.
that's the main reason why most people put these up.
yeah, yeah.
You know, keep the
Really?
dogs out, man. Dogs are just a
Is it raining?
wow.
Raining. Yeah, it's raining. Yeah, there's raindrops. Yeah, so you know, we miss Ming Ming, and we are still talk about having a new pet or maybe new Ming, another version of Ming, but
And then sometimes we say, no, we're not going to do
yeah,
that.
we wanna make everything settled first. We wanna move on first and see how it goes. I wanna find like the cat that I really want, that maybe the same color as the Ming. You know,
Well, I don't know about that.
it doesn't have to be.
No,
Yeah, okay. It depends really.
no.
Either it can be a dog or a cat. What's better?
I don't know.
Or maybe a baby. What do you want, honey? Adopt a baby, adopt a
What
dog
do
or a cat?
I'd take a baby.
Baby?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, it's not that easy. It's more harder.
I know, man.
Harder. I'm not talking about to take it, not just to take care of the baby, but also the papers and all.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No,
It's nice if it is our
that
own.
would change our life. That would change our life drastically.
Yeah, it will definitely
Wouldn't
change
be
it.
any more retirement.
Yeah,
It'd be, yeah,
but big responsibilities.
yeah.
Yeah, it's raining.
It just started sprinkling,
Yeah. Wow, amazing. The camera did not turn off. I
Oh.
thought, yeah, it just turned off all the sudden, and now I
Oh,
turned
right,
it back
that's
on.
all. Yeah.
I told you this battery half working, half not.
Right. Right.
Maribin is taking a nap. Yeah.
Tomorrow is Valentine's Day.
Wow. Maybe we'll instead of you getting me flowers, honey, I keep telling Dennis, you don't need to get me flowers. Maybe we can just have dinner or something, you know?
Well, we'll have a nice dinner.
Yeah, nice dinner. You know, we can all have a nice meal.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, flowers nice, but it will wilt after 2 days. But I mean, you don't need to. Like, especially I will know that, oh, where's Dennis? Then I know where you go, where you went. You bought flowers for me.
Yeah. Well,
It's okay. It's not like we're young people. Although it's still nice.
it doesn't matter. It's still important.
You can still celebrate Valentine's even if you're like 70, 80,
Yeah.
90.
Yeah.
You know,
Celebrate nothing. Being alive.
we can celebrate Valentine's every day, any day.
Yeah.
Every day is Valentine's Day.
Every day, Valentine's for us. Yeah.
Yeah.
For us.
Let's hang out here, guys.
Very quiet this evening.
Yeah, we don't always hang out here, and this is this is a big space here in our front patio. Although
Yeah,
we are
nobody ever hangs out
planning,
here.
yeah, nobody, and we were gonna put a
Sealer on here.
sealer here. Let's see, as you
Nobody
can see
did
some
that.
spots. Yeah,
We already have the sealer, right?
yeah, I already bought it. We just keep forgetting.
So we need to put it on here. Floor goes much better.
This is our front patio
Yeah.
that we never hung out.
No, we don't. because
Usually
they-
just in the back.
They made these
Different.
seats not like we told them to.
Yeah, no, and it's much higher.
They're 4 inches too high, 4 or 5 inches too high, and they're too short this way. They need to be a tile and a half
Right.
out this way, and they didn't do them like we told them to.
Yeah, it should be thicker, like what we like is like from here.
Yeah.
Maybe add about like that,
Yeah,
and then lower about this much.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh well. Oh well.
They wanted to surprise us, I guess. And show us their brilliant idea, which
That maybe they thought that their surprise for us will be much better than our plan.
that's that's the problem here. You're finding workers that will do what you tell them,
Yeah.
not what they think you should be doing.
Yeah, but those guys that we hired to get our extension,
Yeah,
they did everything that we would like
did
for
great.
them to do, and we want to do.
The
So
way we wanted it done.
yeah, right. Yeah.
So, I might have been a pain in the butt to them, but I told them, you guys are going to learn some things working here. If you can make me happy, you can make anybody happy.
Yeah, yeah. Roldan was okay with it. Julius, you know, they were really the main,
Yeah.
like managing everybody, and
But they did make me happy. They're very, very conscientious.
yeah, yeah. They did a great job.
Yeah, they did.
We're just gonna hang out here, guys, for a little bit more, and doing our chica and just relax here.
Okay.
So cool here.
Yeah.
Good evening, guys.
Hey guys.
Here's Dennis getting ready to do his simo and his
Yeah.
tea. Here's
Hello.
Maribin just chilling. We were actually just watching news on TV. We're like old fashioned. We like to watch news. Maribin, did you take a good nap?
Little bit.
Little bit.
Taken up.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. We just confused what we're gonna have for dinner, but
New.
low bat again, guys. So we just wanna say bye to all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Battery low.
Go back. Go back.
Low bat. Hopefully. Low bat again. Bye, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye guys.